It's not drying. What the hell? Christ, what a fucker.
Actually dried up a little bit.
A little bit, but just because I'm fucking spreading it out. Fucking bitch.
Okay, that was fucking it. Yo, Kyle, can I borrow your phone real quick? Because I need to call my mom. I told her I would.
Money, money, that's money, that's money. Can you see the money? Wow. Oh, look, there's more money. Oh my God, there's so much money. Oh my God, how'd you get so much money? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, how'd you, maybe it's because I'm on the national skateboard team. Oh my God.